Hey parents, have you heard about the Kids Bible Experience on the Bible app? This is a great resource to start teaching your children how to get in the Word and spend time with God each day. And it's so easy to use too. First, you need to open the YouVersion Bible app. Then you'll want to select More in the bottom right corner, scroll down to Settings, and open Kids Bible Experience. Then, turn it on. It's that simple. Now you will see the Kids Bible Experience on your homepage with a new experience every morning. The Kids Bible Experience has a quick 2-minute video to teach and explain the kids' verse of the day in a fun way that your child will love and understand, followed by a question your child can answer about what they learned. It wraps up with the verse of the day, a fun graphic, and a prayer for them that day. Our prayer is that this resource will be a tool for your child as they grow in their relationship with God and learn that they were created on purpose for a purpose.